is writing in a diary going to improve your speaking skills? Hi everyone, I'm Vicki Kelty, your go-to guide for speaking English without thinking all the time. You want to speak naturally, have smoother conversations, and enjoy using English. So let's make it happen. Well, you know my favorite way to help you feel more comfortable speaking is to encourage you to do it, to speak. But today I wanted to share another way you can take action. Write in a diary. This writing option can accompany your speaking, of course, or it can be a great second option for days that you just don't feel like speaking. Writing in a diary is such a powerful way to practice English. Why? Because it gives you the opportunity to do something that you don't always get to do when you're speaking. It allows you to slow down, pause, get your ideas together before you need to take action. When you're speaking, you can feel this pressure to respond immediately in conversations. And you feel rushed because you have another person waiting on you to speak. But nobody is waiting for you when you're writing. So you can go at your own speed while still getting the practice of sharing your thoughts. And in that way, writing is actually helping prepare you for future conversations because you're still practicing what you'd say in English, just in written form. And those future conversations can be closer than you think. With my voice message speaking practice program, you can work on your speaking skills regularly with the weekly conversation topics I send you. Want to try it out? Start your 2-week trial today. Okay, so what do you write about? I have some ideas for you. You can do a brain dump and write whatever comes to mind. That's a great option for spontaneity practice. It's free writing where there's no critiques and no judgment about what you're writing. You can write about your day. Start by writing about your morning, afternoon, evening, and see where it takes you. You can share how you feel at the moment. Are you happy, sad, angry about something? Why? Write it out. You could get inspired by the future. What plans do you have for tomorrow or for the upcoming week? Now, because it's just a good old-fashioned diary, I don't want you to worry about making mistakes. Admittedly, this is probably the hardest part for people because it can seem counterproductive to not worry about mistakes and to not look up words as you write. But remember, your goal is to practice turning your thoughts, all those ideas you have in your head, into tangible English. In this case, a written message in your diary. I'm also asking you to trust your knowledge. All that grammar and vocabulary you studied all these years, all the words and expressions you pick up from books and TV shows, it's in your brain waiting to be used. Keeping a diary is one way to activate that knowledge and check what you've learned. If you're only receiving information through studying grammar or memorizing vocabulary, you're missing an essential element of producing the language. Okay, so tell me, what will you write about first? Why not write a comment as your writing practice today and tell me? Writing leads to improvement in English, so I hope you'll add this simple action to your language learning. Remember to subscribe to my channel to keep getting videos to support your fluency journey. Until next time, happy writing and speaking. Toodles!